Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. So these cards are for your general energies, Aries. So I'll be picking one card for relationship and one card for your career situation from this deck, guys. So this is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys. Aries. So we will start with the cards for your general energies first. We have Hangman in reverse, Ten of Cups in reverse, and Ace of Wands. So in your situation, guys, Aries, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. So you are someone who is really a kind and compassionate person, really friendly, and you help people, you support others, and you are someone who loves to be with other people, helping them and supporting them in whatever way possible for you guys. But for some of you, this person you are in connection with, maybe they are not like you. They are quite self-centered and they have their their wishes and their desires above everything else. So they are quite selfish. They are not like you. They are not supportive or a friendly person. So with this person not supporting your way of life or supporting the way you are is causing a lot of stress for you guys. You don't know how to handle this situation because you are someone who is extrovert, friendly, going out of the way, helping others, even strangers. But this person is not that. So whatever you expected of them, maybe you saw them in a different way in the beginning of this relationship, but what they are now is something you cannot relate to. So you see them in a different way now, guys, and it is simply shocking you, and you don't know how to make them understand, how to make them realize that this may not be the right way to be, guys. But there are some kind of opportunities coming for you guys, maybe chances to change this person. So it may be something which you love to do. Maybe even this person may love to do that. Maybe some surprise travel plan or some kind of a career opportunity to move to a different place. So some travel or some kind of move, some kind of a change in your workplace or change in residence is going to help you out today, guys, Aries. So, or it may be a change in this relationship. Maybe this change in your career may act like a catalyst, improving the way things are between you both, guys, Aries, in your relationship. So let's see what is the card for your relationship, guys. We picked one card. So it says Yang. So this card stands for action. So in your relationship, you are in a circumstance and it is the time for you to take up that action. So whatever you think, you need to put it into action right now, and take that chance to make it come true, guys. So circumstances are supporting your action. Maybe if you want to do something, if you are deciding on engagement or marriage or commitment, or you are planning to propose to this person, you need to make the first move, and you will be, what to say, you can be assured that highest good will come out of your action, and it is the time for you to take the lead. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So maybe if you make the first move, if you propose, maybe this person will accept your proposal, and it will take you towards something positive and a happy destiny unfolding in your life today, guys, Aries. And this is the perfect time for you to act and head on towards your dreams or goals, whatever you have for this connection, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It is Thinker. So with this card, it just means that you must think and decide, plan everything carefully. So in your career, there are important circumstances unfolding, and you have to be clear, logical, and you have to go for calculated action. Plan your strategy, focus on the steps you need to take. So you need to list down or list the steps or the way you are going to reach your goals or abundance in your career situation. So when you plan your life strategically, guys, plan your career strategically, maybe you can plan with someone close to you, your friend or your mentor or a colleague who is truly concerned about you. So you can talk to them freely and make your plans, or you can just keep that higher power or divinity as your strategic partner in this career choices or whatever decisions you make. So pray deeply, honestly, with positive intentions, and that is going to help you win in your career situation, guys, Aries. So that is the reading with these cards, Aries. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.